Welcome to this video, where we will guide you on how to change the call ringtone in the Viber app on your Android phone. If you want to personalize your incoming call sound on Viber, this tutorial will help you do it quickly and easily. Follow along to customize your ringtone to your liking. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Next, tap on More located at the bottom right corner. Then, from the menu, select Settings. Then, in the Settings section, tap on Notifications. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Use System Sounds, and make sure to turn it on. This will allow you to choose ringtones from your phone's system sounds. After that, tap on Call Ringtone, then click on Sounds, which will open a list of available sounds. Here, you can browse through different ringtones and select the one you prefer. When you find the sound you want, simply tap on it to select it. Finally, confirm your choice by clicking OK. Your new call, ringtone and Viber will now be set, and you will hear this sound whenever you receive a call through the app. Thanks for watching.